Hey gang, how are you all? Hope everyone's well. Today we're installing the Maxxair Fan in our Sprinter. We have a 144 wheelbase with the extended roof. We're only going for one fan. I know some people install two, but it's a smaller van. We intend on doing a lot more of our cooking outside. So this is probably more about temperature control and just getting some air circulation in the hotter nights. We bought this online at Amazon, and the intention is that we're going to install it in the middle of the fan. Our bed's going to be at the back here, so we're figuring a nice even spot, say I suppose in between, we're having it too far forward or right at the back when we can open the doors, and then we've got the side door here as well. So we figure compromise, having it in the middle means that when we're cooking, potentially with both doors closed, we can still get some exhaust going. And the great thing about these fans, the Maxxair fans, is that it has two directional, so it means that it can suck air out and it can bring air in. So we have a couple of windows, so hypothetically what we could do if we wanted to circulate air through the van, we'd have a window open and be drawing that air out, so you're creating this draft. So keeping the van nice and cool on those hot days, or if we're cooking and we've got all the doors closed, we can still get some ventilation. So here we go.